over the years, I've attended a number of seminars and workshops on the topic of cultural diversity. So I came into this thinking that it would be more of a refresher than new knowledge. Instead, I've literally learned something new at every session, and more importantly, how to use that new information. So it's not just information, it's application and skill. So the workshops address a number of issues that I think are relevant to today's employers. Some of the topics that really resonated with me were how perception impacts cultural competency, why it's important to focus on expected behaviors, which the employer certainly has a right to expect, versus expecting a person to change their beliefs and their values. How an employee's communication style can be influenced by their cultural background, and how the boss can use cultural knowledge to improve the relationship with that individual. For instance, understanding the difference between high context cultures where information is implied and low context cultures where information is very explicit is so important in a diverse workplace. The content's fascinating, and it's presented in a way that makes it entirely relevant and useful in a number of settings, from the corporate office setting to social events. I work in human resources. I've delivered many training sessions over the years, and I've attended many. And I have to say, I can't recall any training where I was as engaged as I am in this program. What's benefited me mostly professionally is how the strategies and tools link with other best practices in the human resources world and other training programs that address perception and teamwork. And I love seeing those links as an HR professional. That's an amazing thing. So I strongly believe that well-informed employers know that employee engagement is at the heart of productivity, customer satisfaction, reputation, longevity, the list goes on. In the 21st century, we can't achieve employee engagement or sustain successful organizations without an effective response to cultural difference. For me, it's that simple.